Did you know your heart has its own intelligence, a real electrical field that is 5,000 times stronger than your brain? In Chinese medicine, this is the fire element. And this week, I want to show you how summer energy wakes up your joy, your truth, and your courage. If you have been feeling emotional, overwhelmed, extra sensitive, and excited lately, it is not random. This is the season of your heart. Hello, and welcome back to Paris Path to Positivity and Tuesday Talks, a weekly space to breathe, reflect, and reconnect with your energy. For the past 2 weeks, we explored winter and spring. And here we enter summer and the fire element, the energy of warmth, joy, connection, and emotional truth. This is one of the richest elements in Yin Yoga because fire has four organs: heart, a small intestine, pericardium, and triple heater, all working together to guide how we feel, love, and how we speak, and how we connect. Today, I want to make all of this simple and meaningful so you can understand your emotional sensations better and you can feel closer to your inner truth. Summer is the season of warmth, connection, movement, blossoming, and joy. Feeling deeply, just like nature that turns bright and blossoms. Experiences opens up and alive in summer. Our hearts do the same. In Chinese medicine, the heart calls the emperor. It is the true leader of your entire inner world. Your mind follows the heart, not other way around. When your heart energy is balanced, you feel joyful, warm, open, and trusting, being able to connect with yourself and others. You see clear and you are in present. And when it is out of balance, you might feel stressed, emotional, overwhelmed, lonely sometimes, and disconnected, restless even, unable to connect to your feelings or being able to feel joy. And that's okay. This season is here to help us to reconnect. There are four organs related to the fire element and summer season in Yin Yoga. Here are the four of them. The first one is the heart, the emperor. The heart is your inner leader. It's where joy and truth live. It helps you to love, excitement, and to feel gratitude and to have an emotional clarity. When the heart is imbalanced, you see life with, when your heart is balanced, you see life with warm eyes. You can express feelings, you connect deeply, and you trust life and yourself. When it is imbalanced, you might feel anxious or sad or disconnected from people around you or confused about what you want and what you feel. Nothing is wrong. It just means your heart needs more softness and kindness and love. The second one, the small intestine, the sorter. This is the friend that helps you to separate what nourishes you, what not, what drains me, what doesn't. Just like it separates good nourishments from waste, it also helps to separate good people from unhealthy people or harmful ones, good thoughts from harmful thoughts, or positive thoughts, better to say, positive thoughts from negative thoughts. When it is balanced, you make clear choices. You know what is good for you. You feel less confused. And when it's imbalanced, everything feels overwhelming and you overthink a lot. You cannot decide what you want and what you want to do. You feel stuck. The pericardium, the guardian of the heart, the third one. And I love this one. It creates healthy boundaries, not walls, but soft doors. When balanced, you open to love without losing yourself. You protect your inner peace. You forgive, but not self abandon. When it is imbalanced, you might feel closing your heart and your emotions too much, or give too much in relationships, or feel unprotected emotionally. This organ teach us emotional safety. And the last one, triple heater, the harmonizer. This organ doesn't have a physical organ in our body, and it is only a energetic one. It manage warmth, energy, and flow, and emotional balance in your whole body. When your triple heater is balanced, you can actually move gently, even when you feel emotional. You don't explode or shut down. You feel steady and safe. And when it's imbalanced, you swing between emotions, between numbness, Mia, between numbness and being overwhelmed. You feel lost. The main emotion of the fire element is joy, but joy is not always easy. Sometimes joy feels too much because joy opens the heart, and with opening, it comes the vulnerability. Summer teach us it is safe to feel, it is safe to open up, it is safe to love and to connect and to be joyful. Fire element invites you to let emotions rise, move, and release. Instead of holding them inside, just let it go. When joy is blocked, the fire element becomes heavy, emotion gets stuck, and sleep becomes difficult. The mind feels busy and unclear, but When the joy flows, your whole energy brightens. Fire element organs and meridian lines are mostly in our arms and our chest. So, when they are imbalanced, you might feel tight chest, tension in your arms, and trouble sleeping. To balance fire, do the simple things. Drink more water, spend time in sunlight, but not too much. Sing or hum, smile intentionally. Move your arms and speak your truth. So, here is the juicy part. Yin pose of the week. This week's pose is melting heart pose. I love this one. It opens the chest and shoulders. How to do it? Start on your hands and your knees in kneeling posture. Walk your hands forward, lower your chest towards the floor, keep hips stocked above your knees, and rest your forehead or chin on the mat. Hold 1 to 3 minutes. Breathe slowly and softly. Remember this yin roll. Go to the pose with 60 to 70% of your depth. Support yourself with block, cushions, or blankets. Yin is not about pushing, it's about softening and relaxing. Feel your breath entering the chest, feel the warmth, let your heart soften even just 1% more. Before we end today, take your time and ask yourself what brings more joy to my heart? What am I holding? And what am I ready to release? Where I can be more softer and can I love myself? Your heart already knows the answers to those questions because the heart is your true leader. Thank you for spending this weekly talk with me. It means so much. And I love reading your comments, your questions, and your reflections. Next week, we will move to late summer, the earth element, and probably autumn, all about grounding and nourishment. Until then, be warm, be open, and be gentle, and let life move through you.